we're also able to create fused models. To explain the fused models, let's first take a step back. So now that we've acquired the STL model from the CBCT, we add the intraoral scan to it, and we align the two. All is done automatically. All also within the 10 minutes. And what we get in the end is a very accurate representation of the tooth. On the left side, you can see the fused tooth. And with the fused tooth, we really get the best of both worlds, the high resolution intraoral scan crown and the root from the CBCT. And on the right side, you can see the CBCT tooth, which obviously has much less resolution when it comes to the crown. And if you really want to achieve the highest resolution printed tooth model possible, you really can't go wrong with a fused tooth. One use case we can imagine, for example, would be an autotransplantation, to visualize an autotransplantation and also to be able to print out a jaw with a moved tooth. And you're also able to visualize this within our software. And you really can move the tooth around, see where it would fit, try to make it look good within the arch, and you can get like a good representation of how it would look like in real life. And you can really get a quick and easy visualization inside our software.